Salut YouTube,
Hey.
on est avec Wao,
Bonjour.
Fléchi et Abedagueux pour un nouvel épisode de Faux Ultra.
Ok les gars, on se retrouve pour l'épisode 2 du Faux Ultra. Le concept, vous le connaissez, 4 personnes vont arriver devant nous, 3 ultras et un faux ultra. Au fur et à mesure des manches, ils vont éliminer ceux qu'ils pensent être les véritables ultras. Pour à la fin seulement garder le faux ultra. Pour le démasquer, une série d'épreuves et d'happenings les attendent et on commence tout de suite
Wesh, il va être infiltré, hein, l'ultra.
Ouais, c'est ça.
avec les questions ouvertes.
Vous pouvez envoyer les ultras.
Yo.
Du coup, on va commencer la première phase. On va leur poser des questions, on va les faire se présenter et on est parti.
My name is Blaise and I'm a French student.
Blaise. Like Matuidi.
Exactly.
My name is Hannah. I'm 27. Bah, je suis serveuse du coup, enfin responsable de salle en restauration.
My name is Lydia, I'm 20.
My name is Mathieu et je suis recruteur.
We can find a new job with him at least. How long have you guys been K-Corp fan?
Since the start.
2020. Okay, like second division and stuff.
Yeah.
Signed the first time in LFL.
So it's like January, which year?
2021.
And the same de
LFL.
LFL, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, since Kameto Corp.
So guys, we have like some questions here. We take one, like you take one and then you ask to the person you want.
I will start in English. According to you, what's the best move of a KC player?
Sorry. And who do you want to pick for this question?
I will pick him because he's like louche.
Oh, he's sassy, okay.
Sassy.
I think it's the 1v5 against Navy.
Okay, so VCT, Marshall, like Narate,
C'est quoi ça?
Narrate. It's
Ah,
when
Narrate,
Narate was 1v5 against Navy and he aced. Are you like a fan of Valorant?
Yeah? But I prefer League of Legends.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so why did you say move of Valorant than a move of League of Legends?
Because it's a crazy move.
Okay.
And I,
Okay.
I have the choice. So.
No answer. Okay.
We need to play better.
Yeah, we are really bad. Okay.
Raconte-nous ton meilleur souvenir
Yeah?
lors d'un KCX.
Yeah, good. Good
Less.
French.
I think it was during KCX3, I guess. When there was the whole get all the games, it was KCX3, right? I love the part when Kurama fight against Gluttony because I really love Smash, and I don't have a lot of time to watch it, so it was one of the best moments. Also, it was my first KCX, so I really love the experience.
Oh, you were there?
Yeah.
Ok, ok. Also, il y a encore des places pour le KCX si vous voulez, il y a le lien dans la description.
Pas vraiment un event, mais c'était quand on jouait contre les joueurs coréens. à l'e-sport.
Ok. Quel est ton maillot préféré et pourquoi?
Moi, c'était le maillot blanc, celui que vous avez sorti au KCX1, parce que c'était déjà mon premier maillot.
Ok.
Et aussi, c'était parce que c'était le maillot où vous avez annoncé l'équipe Rocket League.
Ok.
Et vu que moi, j'adore Rocket League,
Ok.
c'est mon maillot.
What is the first Rocket League lineup that we had in K-Corp?
Itachi, Stake et Astral.
And do you have the name of the coach?
C'était Kiko, comme ça.
Ok, good.
C'est ça?
Ok, ouais, c'est ça.
Okay, it's not
Okay.
her, it's not her, it's not her.
Hmm?
Oh, sure.
Yeah,
She was so confident.
Yeah, she was really
She was
but
so
you know,
confident.
she said she was fan of Rocket League, so I needed that answer.
Yeah.
You know?
So Mathieu, what does Calist like to do outside of playing in League of Legends?
Good one.
Sudoku et Minecraft, non? C'est pas ça? Je sais pas.
It's a good answer.
Yeah, it's good answer.
Yeah, c'est ça.
She wanted
Ah,
Minecraft.
ok,
okay.
Ok, Mathieu.
Ah ouais, encore moi?
Ok, Mathieu. Who is your favorite League of Legends players and why is it Saken?
C'est Saken. Because it's the best player and the legacy.
Okay. He's clearing my doubts. I think it's not him, guys.
So the one that we think is the most KC fan.
The most.
Yeah,
The most?
because we need to keep the imposter until the end.
Okay.
So.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
These two, I think, for sure, no? Like first and last.
You think are the most?
Yeah, I think.
No, I think this one is a bit sus still.
Yeah, okay.
Mathieu,
I think
Mathieu.
you're.
Mathieu is okay.
Ouais,
I
j'étais un
think-
bon.
Mathieu,
the one I have the less doubt is her for me.
Dia.
maybe she's a maid fan and she knows every Rocket League thing.
They were not even in Rocket League. Like you need to really know. You know?
was
I can
kidding.
ask another question, but
I'm
like
kidding about it.
knowing the coach from back then and stuff, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Mathieu, Ouais, j'étais un bon, vas-y. C'est merde de supporter mon gars. Ouais, j'étais un bon.
Vas-y. Salut. Ok, on va passer à la phase 2. Donc,
Pour cette phase, rien de plus simple. Les ultras auront juste à retrouver les joueurs manquants dans les rosters. Pour ajouter un peu de difficulté, on a décidé de fusionner 2 visages de 2 joueurs de rosters différents. Les ultras devront aussi les retrouver.
c'est parti.
C'est parti, let's go.
Ok, let's
Yeah,
go.
let's go. She said LOL, no?
Hannah said she's like a League of Legends fan, so
She's so sassy.
yeah, we start by her. Okay,
Ok, Cabochard,
okay,
Lucas, if you want. 113,
okay.
second, Lucato, Reckless. And...
I'm Stephen Pass written. And the last?
Pas du tout.
The support, you don't know? Okay. It's hard to not remember Antera and not knowing the striker was in this team, especially with like the,
Yeah, you asked hard questions.
especially with the beef. Okay.
J'ai la ref.
Which title did they win?
On a gagné les... Bon, j'arrive pas à dire.
Les Masters?
Ouais.
Okay.
Ah, on sait pas, hein, c'est une question du coup.
Moi, je te prie. Et on les a gagnés une fois, 2 fois?
Une fois, on a gagné la FL aussi, non?
Ah, je sais pas, je te demande.
Je crois qu'on a gagné la FL et
Quoi?
les
Ah, ok. Ah, mais on doit couper après. Okay.
He's doing
So,
all the questions.
I'm asking too much questions. Okay. But it's so hard, I swear.
C'est qui? Pour moi, c'est le.
Il y a Batira.
Okay, I have them. So you have to find like the 2 players. So.
Il y a Batira.
Okay.
Parce que c'est Batira qui est comme ça. Peut-être Tomasi.
Okay, yeah, it's good. I think it's him. Yeah. Good one.
What the fuck?
Yeah, you need. Okay.
My bad.
Yeah, it's good. New roster iteration, new person.
First roster. So it's Amiloa for sure. Takas Mankishin, Amiloa. I always have an issue with the last one, but it's fine. Takas Mankishin. It's the it's New Zealand.
Yeah.
No, it was Kameto, you missed.
No, his raise is too bad. Sorry, Kev.
Now we have the face swap.
This looks funny. But this is a hard combination to be honest.
Do you know one of them?
Is it 3 players?
No, it's 2,
It's
no?
2 only, but
It's 2. Okay. Do we give
I
them
think
hint?
I'm clueless.
Okay. One of them is Rocket League player.
Oh, okay.
Oh. No, it's-
Oh, you got him.
I got it!
Wow.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Okay.
Rocket League. Oh. So you can go.
Exotique, Ita, Shivatira.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's about the face swap.
C'est Vladi. C'est le coach de Valorant, mais c'est... Zeish, voilà.
Okay.
Ok.
Do you guys have any person you are confident that is a K-Cup Ultra so we can remove?
I think it's
Lydia?
yeah.
Okay.
Lydia?
Yeah?
Lydia.
Nice.
Okay. I agree with you, so I think we can remove Lydia and we can move on with the final between the 2.
Yeah.
Okay? So
Thank you, Lydia.
Thank you.
Are we smurfing or?
I think we are smurfing.
Okay.
I had a feeling
Yeah.
from the beginning
Yeah.
that it was Anna.
Okay.
I think both are fixed.
No, don't say that. He doesn't remember a game of Valorant that he watched yesterday.
Yeah.
So it's either
Bad
he's
memory.
then it's either he's a fake that tried to study, or he's really bad at memory, you know.
But I remember the first roster of Valorant.
Yeah, you are good at studying, maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah,
You're
maybe. Ok, on va passer à la phase 3, c'est une sorte de question pour un champion. On pose des questions à tour de rôle aux 2 ultras. Et l'idée, c'est que quand quelqu'un a raison, on passe à la personne suivante. Et si quelqu'un a faux, on continue, on l'enchaîne de 10 questions s'il le faut. On est parti?
C'est parti.
Let's go,
guys.
Let's go.
Ok.
Who was the League of Legends coach in 2022?
Striker.
Dans quelle salle s'est déroulé le KCX2?
D'accord, ok, là.
Who was the first non-French speaking player of K-Min?
Sur LoL, Xmati.
Which games is KC World Champion?
Il y a TFT et il y a Trackmania.
What's the name of the series of videos on YouTube that follow the team in Paris and Berlin?
Red Bull.
À 20 minutes près, combien de retard y a-t-il eu au KCX3?
1h30.
Ok,
Wesh.
It was 1 hour and 36 minutes.
Obviously.
No, but it's fine because you have like 20 minutes up.
Good job, Kote.
What?
1 hour and 36 minutes, people.
Was
Good job, Kote.
5 games.
Rocket League was a demon. Rocket League was a demon.
En quelle année Structure a-t-elle été créée?
2020.
What's the color of the 2024 Pro Jersey?
Black.
Next question.
Ah.
It was in front of you.
Ah.
Bro.
What's the name of the performance coach for the VCT team?
I don't know the performance coach.
Ok.
Understandable.
Quel est le seul joueur roumain à avoir joué pour le club? Une nationalité roumaine.
C'est sur LoL.
Ça peut être n'importe quel
Ok, ça
jeu,
peut être
mais
n'importe
je vais
quel.
te le donner, c'est sur LoL.
L'INSAS.
Non. Si je te dis que c'était un support, you don't know?
Non.
It's a hard one. Ok, we move on. But it was Whiting. Contre quelle équipe on a eu notre première victoire de cette tour?
J'ai la troisième et pas la première victoire.
C'était quoi la troisième?
BDS. J'y
Non,
étais donc.
De quoi?
J'y étais donc je vous le dis.
La troisième, mais tu parles de ce split?
Ah non, je parle du split dernier, enfin du Winter.
Non, c'était la question, c'est sur la toute première game, la toute première victoire de LC tout court.
Le c'est tout court, oui,
Ouais.
je sais, mais je l'ai pas la,
Ah,
j'ai
ok.
pas la première, mais
Ah
j'ai
ouais,
la
elle est dure,
troisième,
la
c'est sûr, ouais.
Du coup, t'as la troisième du Winter, tu veux dire?
Ouais.
Ok. On a gagné que deux Winter. Ok. On va passer à la suivante. This one. Donc, quel est l'instrument que Kamel dégaine lors des victoires?
Ah, c'est une trompette.
Ok, good one. Ça tombe bien. It's a VCT question. What is our actual
Ah,
VCT
actual?
roster?
Ok. Magnum, on a raté. Shin, Thomasy, Martin, of course.
Ok.
Ok, next question. How many EU Masters title does the club have? Combien de titres des EU Masters que le club... Ouais, c'est ça.
Tu sais pas lire?
4.
Where did the last KCX take place?
Bercy.
Merci.
It's not the right answer.
It was wrong,
Yeah, he said Bercy, but it's Paris La Défense Arena.
but he said he was there.
Yeah. Yeah, you said he was there.
Like that.
Yeah.
It's just
Oh,
not-
okay. Yeah. Anyway, let's move on.
What is Casey's first World Championship title?
First one?
Yeah.
It was TFC.
Okay.
Um, and who won it?
Double 61.
Yeah. But it's impossible to say the wrong venue when you went there, you know? Like, if you didn't, you can, like... But even, like, in Paris, it's like the opposite and stuff, so... Okay.
Quel a été le score de l'équipe Carmine Corp Blue lors de la finale du Spring Split 2024? What was the score at the Spring Split 2044 final for the Carmine Corp Blue? In English. And in French is quel a été le score de l'équipe Carmine Corp Blue lors de la finale du Spring Split 2024? Spring Split 2024.
Regarde, c'est Golem. C'était pour qui?
3-0.
Et contre qui?
C'était contre BDS Academy.
It felt like 3-0, but it was 3-1, so...
What is the name of the club's community manager?
Ah, c'est Maul.
Ouais, c'est ok. It's
Ok.
good.
Les Belges même.
Yeah.
Which team knocked out our Rocket League roster at the 2023 World Championship?
Pourquoi on me rappelle des trucs comme ça?
C'était horrible.
Less.
It's for you, Blaze.
It was Vitality.
Yeah. I will let you read the question. I like how you read. Ok. Focus. Wow.
Je
You can
fais
do
pas. I don't do one mistake.
it. No bégaiement.
No bégaiement.
Ok.
Ok, I will start in French.
Ok.
En quelle année Arthur Pertiricos a-t-il rejoint la structure?
Mais t'as vu, frère? Vas-y, recommence.
En quelle année Arthur Pertiricos
Mais Perticos, c'était cool, quoi.
En quelle année Arthur Perticos a-t-il rejoint la structure? In English, when did Arthur Perticos join the company?
Si je me trompe pas, c'est 2023.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ok, donc on va passer à la phase de choix, la phase finale. On va délibérer ensemble et choisir qui est le faux ultra directement. So,
I think the one.
it's time for the final choice, guys.
Yeah.
Who do you think is the fake fan?
I mean, what he talks, you can see it on Twitter, you know? It's not like you watch the game or like you'll be there, you know?
For me, he also needs way too long to remember the roster. Like if he's an ultra, it's like he can spam the names, you know, really fast. But he's like, I don't know the last. Like I'm forgetting it all the time.
Yeah. And you, Will?
Yeah, you're right.
Same as?
Yeah.
Arthur
So-
Pertikikos.
So, it's either we are all right or all wrong.
Yeah.
It's fine, I trust you.
We all think it's Blaze?
But even though if he's ultra,
Okay.
it's shame.
Okay. So, okay. Okay. So, can the fake ultra move forward? Let's go, guys. We did it.
It was hard, it was super hard.
Okay. So, how did you know the answers about K-Corp? Like, did you study or you
No,
are
I'm following games because I'm working with another team. so I kind of follow all kind of games, but it's really hard to, when it comes to be really specific, then it's
And
almost
which team
impossible.
do you work?
Which team?
I play with I'm working with Job Life in Division 2.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, it's brothers.
Okay. All right, good job,
Okay.
guys. And I hope we didn't cook you too much, Anna. But sometimes it was hard and there's so many. Okay. And yeah, we were right about you. So, yeah. Thank you guys for participating.
Thank you guys for
in,
coming.
Thank you, guys.
This content. Thank you for coming.
Fun.
And for you guys on YouTube, feel free to subscribe, comment, and let us know who do you want to see next in
Push
this
elbow.
kind of episode. And
You can like if you wanna teach how to write,
yeah, how to
wow,
read
how to read well,
and how to talk.
how to talk for me.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank
See
you
you
guys.
later
See you
and
soon.
bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.